finals, and you always want to consider the fatigue factor. You don't want to talk about it, but pero it's a fact of life. If you've been there, done that, na palagi kayo naglalaro, there's always a tendency to be tired. And the extra day of rest and practice, it's really good for BMX.
It certainly was very good for James Yap. We documented his back problems during the Governor's Cup. It has bothered him, and nag-manifest yan sa kanyang mga numbers throughout the conference, but not tonight. Extra Diyos, sipang tumatagal, play of the game. Atin sa inyo ng Extra Diyos, sipang tumatagal. At 11 points in the first quarter, and that was, that was a sign of things to come for James Yap and the rest of the Llamadas. They started out strong, they finished the game strong.
Right, and looking at James, his first few baskets, Nico, he was kind of in a different place, na parang kalmado siya. Yeah. And he knows na parang kaya ko tumapos ng game ito because of the extra rest.
Okay, we'll now talk to our best player of the game without a shadow of a doubt. It is James Carlos Yap. James, you scored 30 points. 30 points, James. Saan ka ba kumuha ng lakas for tonight? Nakatulong ba yung 2 araw na pahinga?
Well, ginagawa ko lang talaga. Enjoy ko na lang tong series na to kasi down na kami. At least ngayon, nanalo kami. So, wag na namin bigyan pressure ng sarili namin. Kundi, mag-enjoy lang kami.
Right, James, and alam mo, kanina nakita ko gumanti ka kay Jaire. Pero para sa akin, you know what? Gusto ko makita yan sa'yo because alam ko na gusto mong manalo tonight, and those are para sa akin statement. Anong masasabi mo dun?
Well, okay lang naman sana kung physical lang eh. Pero pag medyo sinasadya na, hindi maganda yun. So, kailangan iparamdam sa kanya na hindi tama yung ginagawa.
Okay, James, magkakaroon tayo ng game number 6. Ano ang mensahe mo sa lahat ng naniniwala sa BMX Planet even if you're down 3-2?
Hangon na, siyempre, down pa rin tayo. Pero at least nanalo tayo ngayon, and sana magkita-kita pa rin tayo dito sa Friday. And huwag na tayo mawala ng pag-asa kasi enjoy lang natin tong finals na to. So, bahala na kung ano mangyari.
Maraming salamat and congratulations, James Yap. 30 big